Yeah, good day. We are writing a simple program to solve simple arithmetic operation. So we are using empty web application. Let me click and type the file name arithmetic operation. Arithmetic OP operation. Okay. The file is going to be created and also the environment is also going to be created. So it has been created. I will go to Solution Explorer. Right click to create a web form. Add web form. I need a web form. So arithmetic. Okay. So the web form has been successfully created. This is the source, the HTML coding aspect. I can go to the form, just design. This time around, I need a drop-down menu. How can we use drop-down menu? So let's go to the toolbox. I want to bring out the button control because I'm going to need it. I'm going to need this. Let's go back. I need also the label, and also I need the drop down, drop down list. So I also need text box. Where's the text box? This text box. So those are the tools I need in designing. Okay, let me bring this one down. So let me start with entering the first number. I go to the properties, type first number at the label control. First number. And then that's good. Then name first number. Name this one as num1. This text box ID to be num1. num1. Okay. Let me press enter key to move to the next line. So the second number, copy and paste the label. Now I can click on it to select, change this one to second number. Then copy the label also, place it at the front. So check whether the label ID has changed. It has changed to num2, while this one is num1, so you don't need to change it. So now come down. I still need this operator sign. I still need this label once again. Call it operator. Click on it. Change this one to operator from the properties. So I've changed it to operator. Then I need this drop in front of it. So this drop now, I can name it as OP. The ID change it to OP. Operate. OP is okay. Yeah. They now come under the properties collection list. You click on this, add all the operation sign we want to use, plus another, put minus there from the list, then add another one, put multiplication sign. So we are solving simple arithmetic operation. Then add division sign. I think we can stop here. So you click OK. So then I want to change this one to calculate. So before then, let me arrange where the output is going to be. I need this label to output my results. Put it here, paste it again, change the properties, click on it, and change the property to result is, then the answer should be in front of this space, space, paste it here, and click on this, change the label ID to ANS as answer. So you can delete this text, don't need this, because our result is going to be displayed here. So let's change this button to calculate. Calculate. So I've changed it to calculate, and let the ID also be calculate. Calculate. So the next thing now is to go to the coding aspect of it. I've already named each of the control I use. So you double click on this button, it will take you to the coding area. Let's declare the two variables to be added, either add, either or sum, or either add, subtract, or multiplication. Let's use variable A, declare it as double, double. Let's use variable B also. Let's declare it as double. And then let's declare our result rest. Let's assign 0 to it and also declare it as double. So now what to do is that to assign the value of what is in the first text box into A, that is, you have to convert it to double by using this function dot. So then the name of the text was num1 dot text. You put it bracket and put semicolon. Good. I've converted it to what? To double. I will apply the same thing. Let me copy this instead of retyping it. I will apply the same thing to B. So this one will be num2. Should assign it here. After assigning it, then we are going to use if statements. If OP, is it OP? Yeah, OP, small p, dot text is equal to plus, then should carry out this operation. That is, the rest will be equal to A plus B, semicolon. Let me copy and paste and change the operator sign. That is, if it is minus, should carry out this operation. Enter again, paste again. If it is multiplication sign, should carry out this operation. So if it is division sign, should carry out this operation. So at the end of those if statements, I will now tell the system, I will now assign, I think my answer is the text box for the result, dot text is equal to rest, convert it to string, because the text box is always in string. If you don't convert it, it will generate error. So I think it has. Let's run and see what it will give us as a result. It's compiling, building. It will run on the browser. So it has come out. So if I pick 5 and 2, if the operator is plus here, calculate, it will give us 7. If I change this one to minus, calculate, it will give us 3. If I change this one to multiplication sign, calculate, it will give us 10. If I change it to division sign, it's giving us 2.5. So that's how to write a simple program using webform in C# to perform a simple arithmetic operation. Thanks.